Hello everyone, it's Sheila from BrainPowerBoy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make our Lincoln Log Catapult. This is on our site and I will link that below. Here's what you need. You need 8 logs. You need a total of 6 rubber bands, 4 that are around this size, 1 smaller one, and 1 that is a bit wider and thick. That's the stretchy one. That one's the one that's going to give it the spring. Okay. Then you need a cap from soda or water and some tape, masking tape. Let's get to it. To start, I'm going to place 2 down and 1 in the front. And then we're going to slip the rubber band over the one that's going in the back. Okay? Easy. Now we're going to build just like we're building with Lincoln logs. And put one on the top, just like we're building a little mini fort here. Okay? Now we're going to take the rubber bands, and this part is going to be a little bit tricky when I'm on video trying to do this. So I will just, I might have to turn things a little bit. And you just go all the way around. So I'm going all the way under all of the logs in the stack. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay, one more. Kind of coming apart here. There we go. And get that one on. Okay, now we're all set. So now I'll grab this other piece here. This is going to be the part that shoots the item out. Right? We're going to take this smaller rubber band, and we're going to lift up just a little bit so we can slip it through here. Okay, so I have it like this now. Slip the log in. This rubber band is smaller, but it needs to be a little bit stretchy to come all the way around and over. Oops. Now, I'm just going to give it a little bit of wiggle room in there. Lift that up just a little bit so that the rubber band can move and it isn't stuck. Okay. Now it's going to be against the bottom and the top of that groove. That's where you want it. Now we have to take this rubber band and stretch it. Okay, and it's going to stretch and go right through the 2 spots here again. This rubber band, you want it to be getting tight right around here. If it's too big and it comes way out and it's not feeling tight, that's going to be way too loose. Okay, so you want it to be tight and real springy right there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to lift that up. Let's see if you can see. A little hard with my fingers there, sorry. But I just want to grab that rubber band, and I've got it now. There, let's see. And I'm going to put it right over there. And now I get that lined up in the center. And again, I lift up and just adjust. Just lift this log just a little bit. It lets you adjust everything. Okay. And this back here needs to be right in the middle as well. It can be off a little bit, but honestly, it just works better if it's in the middle. Okay. So now, as you can see, you got real good spring, and it doesn't come off because this extra rubber band, the red one that we put on, holds it to the log, and the other one gives it a lot of good spring. Okay, so next we're going to take our piece of masking tape, and I'm going to just tape it to the cap, and then I'm going to come around and tape it again So it's going a little bit on the edge here, and then it's coming around in the back. Oops, I'm sorry. A little bit on the edge here. It's coming around in the back, and it's going right between there. And then it's coming up here and set. So that is what's going to hold your item that you're shooting. This is what we use. These are bits for Playmobil. I think they might go on a ship or something. But anyway, they look sort of like rocks. And so that's what we use for playing. You just load them in like that and shoot. Now obviously I can't show you very well what it does, but they shoot pretty darn good. And they shoot far too. Whoop. So let me show you just one more time the finished. Show you the finish here so that you can see how this all goes. They're all, the rubber band is coming all the way around. This rubber band is on the back and it goes to the front and it goes through there. You can see it's going right through those two logs and up here and around. This red rubber band is going around this top log and then coming back around, and it's on the bottom and the top. Okay? And that is it. That is our Lincoln Log Catapult. My husband designed this when he and my son were playing and they needed some extra catapults, and they wanted one that was going to go a bit further than what the Playmobil one does. Yep. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it and give it a try. It's a lot of fun to make and it's extra fun to play with. Thanks for watching, and please visit us at brainpowerboy.com.